All right, let's do LeetCode 49 group anagrams in JavaScript. This is a medium problem. They want you to group all of the words in here that are anagrams together. So for the output example, Nat and Tan are anagrams of each other, so group those together, put them in an array, and do the same thing for any other words in there, and then return those as subarrays of an array. This is I solved this with a hash map. So let's do this. So we're going to create an object, and then we're going to loop through every item. And what we need here is we need a key. So we're going to do key equals I. I dot split. So first thing we're going to do here is we're going to sort all of every item as we're going through it. And the reason we're doing that is we need to see, are things anagrams of each other? So what we're going to do when we build up our hash map is we'll build up a hash map with a key of the anagram version of a word, and then the value will be all the words that match that as they were sorted. So let's get a little deeper in this. So we're going to do, if the key doesn't exist, object key doesn't exist, we'll create it, and we will set it to I, and we're setting it to the word in here. Otherwise, if it does exist, what we should do is we should get that object key and push in I to it. See, it's an array here. So push into I. So let's make sure I type this out correctly, and we can console.log our object, run that. Yes, this is what we got. So it's building this up. What we're doing is we're building up, like I was talking about. We have this right here. This is the key that we're creating. The key of all of these values, these are all anagrams of each other. This is just a sorted version. We have to have a way to sort all these items and compare them against. So that's what we're doing here. So every time we grab one of these words here, we go, all right, we're going to reorganize it using split, sort, join. Then we're going to check to see, is this key anywhere inside of our map? If it is not, we will create it, and we will create it as, this is a good example of that, of one that was just created but hasn't had anything pushed into it. We'll create it as an array, and we will put in the word. Otherwise, we will push in a word into our existing object key, such as here. This had Nat and Tan. When it was created, it had one of these, and then the other one, it had it pushed in as well. Okay, so now that we have that, what we need to do is we need to just return the output in the correct format right here. So what we're going to do is, because this is an object, we can just return all the values from it. And we will need to pass in our object to that to do so, and that's it. So let's give this a save. Ooh, let's give this a run, not a save. Okay, passes test cases. I'll hit submit. Great, that's accepted. And I'll leave this on the screen. See you next time.